Today's medical devices demand connectors that deliver precision, durability, and reliability in compact, space-constrained designs. From portable monitors to advanced imaging systems, connectors must withstand moisture, dust, vibration, and rigorous use, ensuring critical healthcare technology never fails. Hirose specializes in advanced connector solutions engineered for life-critical healthcare applications. With decades of experience, Hirose offers high-performance active optical, board-to-board, wire-to-board, FPC, FFC, coaxial, and circular connectors designed for compactness, secure locking, and environmental resistance. Hirose's BF4M series are space-saving and low-profile active optical connectors for high-speed signal and high-quality signal transmission without EMI noise. The waterproof DF62WP series is suitable for wire-to-wire connections, and the high-speed FX23 series hybrid connectors support up to 16 gigabits data and power transfer in one compact interface. Hirose's FH62 and FH63 series FPC/FFC connectors provide compact, low-profile solutions with high EMI shielding and robust locking, ideal for diagnostic and portable medical equipment that require reliable signal integrity in tight spaces. The HR30 circular connectors deliver rugged IP67 sealed interfaces with push-pull locking, perfect for handheld and portable therapeutic and monitoring devices. Meanwhile, the IX Industrial series offers high-speed data transmission and EMI shielding for advanced medical robotics and imaging systems. The LF series provides durable connections with EMI protection for vibration-prone devices. The DF40GL series delivers a low-profile, high-speed board-to-board and FPC to connector interface. With a positive blade locking mechanism and metal shielding, it offers excellent EMI performance while saving valuable PCB space. This connector is ideal for compact medical devices requiring fast, reliable data transmission and space efficiency. From portable diagnostics to complex imaging systems, Hirose medical connectors ensure stable, secure, and high-speed connections that empower the future of healthcare technology. Learn more at Heilind.com.